Kana kuzi makazi kuti makuziya manje mataste music. Oh wow, this one is less chaotic. I would like to listen to gospel music. When did your relationship with gospel music start?
Okay. I believe that nakatotanga ndiri mudumbu mama.
Serious?
Yeah, because surprisingly my father used to be a drunkard.
Okay.
Actually, during the time I was born, baba wangu vaitumwa, mai wangu wangu vasingamwe. Saka I believe kuti pavaimwe papa punde kufanira kuzozvara ndichizomwawo.
Right.
Pandakazvarwa ndichitokura handina ndatesta doro.
Amusati mamumwa doro zvamuri?
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't take that.
Wow.
So, and also the thing is, I believe kuti in life you don't do things based on what you see outside, but your behavior has to be molded by your inner being. Your inner self is going to mold you and direct you. So that's what I've always believed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good stuff. So, kubra kudara maida gospel music.
Yeah, sure.
So, to just break the ice and put you at ease,